In this tutorial, I will explain in Stata software how to import Excel data, how to run descriptive analysis, how to run correlation analysis, how to run a regression, and further I will also show how to use ChatGPT basically to run Stata. To do this workshop, basically using real life data, I have used a data which has sales information like the sales values, and these sales are basically happened due to the campaigns a particular company has run through different channels like TV, radio, social media, etc. Now the question is, like, what would be our research hypothesis, or what would be our research questions in the first stage? So what I'm going to do is I'm using the ChatGPT. I'm giving this prompt to ChatGPT. I have variable sales. This sale is happened due to the campaign a company has run using advertisement on radio, social media, and TV. The company is interested to see which medium is more effective. So please suggest a few research questions and hypotheses. Let's see what the ChatGPT is providing us. It says that which advertising medium, radio, social media, TV, has the most significant impact on sale. These are the research questions. Is there a statistical significant difference in sales generated by radio, social media, and TV? Does the combination of multiple advertisement mediums lead to higher sales compared? And the hypothesis, main effect. There is no significant difference in sales generated by radio, social media, and TV. At least one advertisement medium generates significantly different sales than the others. Pairwise comparison, sales from radio advertisement are equal to sales from social media. These are different ways of hypothesis. Basically, ChatGPT is providing, and it's suggesting to use either ANOVA or regression analysis. Let's say I'm interested um, in this hypothesis. It says sales from social media advertisement are equal to sales from TV advertisement, or social media radio advertisement is equal to TV. These two hypotheses. We can use regression and ANOVA. Check our data. So here all the influencer, the last is basically this is these are different groups like 1 to 4. We can use here ANOVA, but for the other variables we cannot use ANOVA. That is because it has no groups. So we can use regression for these 3 independent and 1 dependent variable, and ANOVA with the last one, influencer. So this is the theoretical framework. Now it's completed. Like we can say TV, radio, and social media has impact on sales. Which one has the most positive impact? And we can again say that which one is significantly different for influencer. So that for that one by one we need to check. So obviously now we are asking now let's ask ChatGPT, please give us command for regression analysis. All right. So it has provided us the regression. So let's first open the data here. Import Excel data. I have placed it in document somewhere. It's sales one basically. Yeah, it's sales one. Now open it. The software is asking import first row as a variable. Yes, import all data is no. We don't need string. Press OK. So the data is opened now. Let's use the first command here. Make sure the variable names should be same. It should not be like social media. So basically it should be same. TV is same. Radio is also not same. Let's delete it and just press here. The variable will be here, and also the sales. Just press it here. So this was the command provided by ChatGPT. Press enter. Here you can see uh, Stata has provided us the analysis. This is the model, overall model, that is degree of freedom f. We just use the p-value, that is 0.00 is significant. It means that all the three variables have impact on the dependent variable, that is sale. And R square, which is obviously it measures the goodness of fit of the model, like how best the model is. So the model is around 99%. It says that like the variations in the independent variable uh, of the variation of the dependent variable is being explained by the independent variables around 99%. If we move further, we can see one by one like which variable has the impact. If we see for the radio, it has insignificant impact because the p-value is greater than 0.05. Always remember, if the p-value is greater than 0.5, if we are testing at 95% confidence interval, we say there is no significant impact. Social media has also no any significant impact on the sales, but TV has highly, strongly significant impact. So, for example, if you are a data analyst hired by a company and you are suggesting for the future campaigns, you can, based on this model and this analysis, you can suggest the company to use TV for the advertisement rather than radio and social media, because both the mediums, radio and the social media, has have no significant impact. So this is all about the rig for ANOVA test. Dependent is TV and grouping is influencer. Yeah, so this is the command. Let's use it here. Influencer. Use the exact name. Always remember. Press on. So if we see for the four categories of influencer, 1, 2, 3, is there any significant difference between these three categories? But the ANOVA test says there is no any significant difference between the 3 or 4 influencers. On average, all the fours are same. So let's use for the same for um, social media. Maybe we will find some difference. Again, there is no difference because the p-value is greater than 0.05. Once again, social media, it's done. We have done the social media. Now the remaining variable, that is radio. Again, so based on this analysis, you can predict that the influencer that has been used during the campaigns have no any significant difference. Like all the four influencers uh, have participated, or their influence is completely equal. There is no any significant difference on average or at mean level. So this was all about the Stata. So this was all about the Stata. We use ChatGPT and real life data. If you have a similar problem, or you are stuck in your data analysis project, you have issues in uh, development of questionnaire, identifying research questions, research hypothesis, and analysis, please comment. Write in the comment section your problem, mention your title. I can guide you how to develop your research framework, research questions, and then also I can assist you in your data analysis using any software like Stata or SPSS, JAS, or any other software. I have expert team. We can help you in writing up your report in APA style or any other style you want. We are also present on Facebook, Fiverr, and Upwork. All the links are provided in this description. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you like my videos. Thank you very much.